the guys at Kinglucky sent me this colorful portable light speaker. It's really small, really nice, but it packs a punch and it's going to be a lot of fun because this is sort of a karaoke machine. Let's see what comes in here. Show you what comes in here. So, yeah, haha, this is cute. It's so cute. You see? It comes, the speaker is really nice. Right? We'll get those microphones out in a second. Right? And then it has all the control surfaces in the transport settings. You could put SD cards, USB cards in there to play music, and it's very colorful. Okay, so let's take these microphones out to see how they look. Haha, this is a great gift for your kids so that they can sing their favorite songs together. You see? The microphone has a way to control the portable speaker itself, so you can turn it on right here. You see, and the microphones must be rechargeable because they have a USB-C port on the bottom, and they have the controllers here. This one's turned on. It has a blue light blinking. I don't know if you can perceive that right there, right? But you see, it's really nice, made out of plastic, the microphones. It comes with two, so they can sing together. So your kids can sing together. And now let me show you the speaker again. And the reason that they call it colorful is because when you turn it on, and we're gonna see right now, this light ring right here turns on with really colorful. So I already charged the battery. Everything's ready. It has this cute little handle so that you could take it with you on the go, right? It has two microphones like I showed you before. Everything is rechargeable. Everything has rechargeable battery. And now let's turn it on so you see how cool it is.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So you can either play USB or SD cards, so you can put a USB stick there, USB-A, and a memory card. You can connect that, or you can pair it with Bluetooth, or you can connect it to a computer, you see? And that way, with this little nice lightweight speaker, you can have a bunch of fun. Now, let's see what happens when I turn on this microphone. Let's see what happens. We can sing with it, maybe. There you go.
Yes. Oh! So now... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. President. It has a little echo, so it's really cool for singing your favorite songs and doing karaoke. So all you have to do is basically...
Let me stop doing this. I'm going to annoy you so much. Basically, you can play the songs, right? A karaoke song through your phone. You connect your phone via Bluetooth, and then you can sing with the microphone and have hours of fun singing. And I think that this button here determines you see it has a couple of buttons here, a volume button, and I'm going to say that this button in the bottom determines if that is going to have some echo or not. So this is gonna be really a lot of fun to play with, and you guys get this and have fun. It's colorful, it's playful. It's a great gift for your kids if they like music and they want to sing their favorite songs. You can have hours of fun with this nice little speaker. It's super recommended.